Hello everyone, my name is Aaron Standard. I'm the founder and CEO here at Petabridge, and today we're going to go ahead and talk about our new Akka.net training and support offerings. So if you are part of a team that is either trying to get into production or you are currently getting into production, this will be of pertinent interest to you. So what are we working on exactly? Well, the first thing that we've done is we've retired our old webinar training courses. So our old design patterns, remoting, and clustering courses that we started offering back in 2015, we have basically deprecated and removed those. Those courses served their purpose. They were great when Akka.net was a brand new technology. Now that Akka.net is much more mature and a lot of that information is much more widely available on free mediums like our YouTube channel and on our blog posts, they are not quite as interesting as they used to be. Instead, we have a set of brand new courses that are available, and we'll go through some of those now. Some of these courses are still in that half-day long format we did before. Some of them are only a couple of hours long now, so we decided to go ahead and offer some courses that people can complete in an afternoon rather than taking half a business day. Training courses are now part of support subscriptions. So before you could purchase training seats for $4.97 a pop, and getting access to all three courses was just under $1,500. Now every member of your team gets access to all of our training courses at no additional cost as a result of having one of our support plan options. So we have two different tiers of support, and we'll go ahead and get into some more detail on those. Both of those tiers include unlimited number of incidents. So this is every time you want to go ahead and contact support through our formal support channels, we open an incident. This allows you to go ahead and use our private issue tracker to submit source code and logs and other data that you might want us to take a look at. And that's all done privately and confidentially. You now no longer have a limit for those plans. Our old support plans used to include an hourly limit on the number of engineering hours we would spend working for you over the course of a year. That limit no longer exists. Every issue you submit, we're just going to go ahead and work the problem until we try to find a resolution somewhere. On top of that, every support plan now includes an unlimited number of seats for training and support as well. So if you want to get members of your team up to speed on Akka streams or Akka.cluster sharding or Akka.net design techniques, we have webinar courses that are scheduled usually at once a quarter intervals that will allow you to go ahead and take advantage of that. We have two tiers for support, design time and production. We'll talk a bit more about those in a minute. And you can buy any of these plans directly from petabridge.com. Now, the next thing I want to touch on is why would you want to buy a support plan in the first place? Well, there's different reasons for different audiences. If you are currently or about to be in production with Akka.net, you want to have a support plan lined up before you need one. The reason being is that it's like insurance. You do not want to be in the process of trying to find an insurer when your house is already on fire. Taking this scenario back to software for a minute, if you have some unexpected behavior in your Akka.net cluster, or maybe some unexpected behavior with Akka.persistence, or maybe some other behavior that's not up to speed and voltage on a mobile app that's using Akka.net behind the scenes, you do not want your 3-month-long vendor onboarding process to stand between you and getting that resolved, which is what will happen if you wait until there's an emergency. So get a support plan in place well before you need one. That is going to get you the best results, and that's going to ensure that you can actually take advantage of our 1 business day service level agreement. That's one thing we offer in production support. We also offer video calls upon request. And then finally, we also offer patch priority as part of production support. The ability to get urgent patches shipped for Akka.net now, not on an arbitrary time frame, which is how we would do it as part of our open source routine. So if you run into a performance issue or an API limitation, or maybe you desperately need some other type of configuration or feature option, we will make that available to you as part of your production support plan. We'll go ahead and get that moved to the front of our work queue. We'll get that shipped and try to get it out in the next open source release of Akka.net up on NuGet.org. So that's what production support's really for. Design time support is helping make sure you don't even have those production emergencies in the first place. Get important Akka.net design, deployment, and debugging help before it's a problem in production. And by the way, everything that's in design time support is also included in production support. The other thing you get as part of both of these support plans is access to training for new and current team members. So we no longer offer a la carte training that you can buy online. you have to have a support plan in order to get access to it. So speaking of which, let's take a quick look at our training offerings. So for those of you watching this in the future, our website will very likely look different than it does right now. That's because we're in the process of redesigning it. But if you go on there today, at the time this video airs, this is what you'll see. You'll see a list of our new training courses that are available, and you'll also see that you need access to a support plan in order to actually attend any of these courses. We still enforce our 10-seat limit per course, so it's all first come, first serve. So if you want to register for one of these courses, you want to go ahead and make sure you do it now. If you take a look at what we offer here, so we've got our end-to-end application design training. This is kind of a major revision of our design patterns course. That one's still half a day long. Then we have some 2-hour-long courses, such as this one on Akka Streams and this one on like real-world Akka.cluster usage. You can go ahead and just click on this link. This will take you to GoToWebinar, where you can go ahead and fill out your information. And as long as your organization has a support plan with Petabridge, we'll go ahead and approve your registration, and you can go ahead and just attend the course and get a recording and all the material delivered to you afterward. So again, our website might look different by the time you view this video, since we are in the process of redesigning it. But if you go to the support area of our website, right here, you'll be sent to this page, and you'll be able to see both of our different tiers that are here. We have design time support and production support. And you can go ahead and click this button right here and buy this package right now using a credit card if you want to. And these are both billed annually. Design time support basically is here to go ahead and help you while you're in development and not actively in production. It gives you access to our support portal, where you can go ahead and share source code and other confidential documents with us. That's all available there. It gets you access to our training courses, and also you get an unlimited number of incidents that you can go ahead and file. With production support, it includes everything that's in developer support, plus the ability to get patch priority, which we talked about earlier. It also includes log review and production incident troubleshooting. So if you want to be able to send us, large log dumps, or you want us to be able to go and dig through application insights, performance graphs, and that sort of thing, we will do that as part of the production support plan tier only. So if you need that help, buy production support. We also have the ability to go ahead and access your source code on here if you want to. It's obviously optional. So if you want us to be able to go and connect to your Azure DevOps or GitHub Enterprise account or whatever, and take a look at some of your code that's in here, we can do that. Everything that's in the production support plan is covered under a 1 business day SLA. So we guarantee a response within 1 day. On top of that, we can also do private Slack channel integrations with your organization. So you can go ahead and message us privately through your own Slack if you want. And video calls are also available upon request as part of production support. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions about our support, or if you want to go and just purchase it directly, you can go to our website, go to petabridge.com/services/support. There'll be a link in the description, or you can go ahead and contact us at sales@petabridge.com to learn more. Thank you very much for your support and for your business. We really appreciate it. Have a good day.